Aunt Maria, Godmama Maria, and Granny.
A box for him.
It's a box.
And something inside the box.
Annie, you can hold it.
What do you think it is, Paul?
Civil War stuff. Civil War flags. Wow. American and the Argentine flag.
What else is in there?
A Civil War hat and another Civil War hat.
Which one's the north? Which one's the south, Paul?
Look. I think this one is
That's right.
this one is north.
Yeah.
This is Journal of the South.
That's the general of the north.
Look, Paul. Never South.
Wait, this is
Wow.
This is the general.
Paul, what do you say to Paul?
Look,
Paul, look at that.
this. Look at this.
Cannon. What? Paul, what do you say to Grammy and Aunt Maria?
Thank you.